For CB configuration, see the circuit diagram for CB configuration. Okay. See, generally we know that transistor is like this. This is base, emitter, collector. Okay, for CB configuration, we need to turn the transistor like this. See, this is base, this is emitter, this is collector. If it is a NPN transistor, current flows from collector to emitter. NPN, this is NPN in the sense first emitter. Emitter is N type, base is P type, collector is N type. Okay, same base, input is emitter, output is collector. Here PNP, P first PNP means emitter P, N, P. Okay, base is common. That's why common base. Base is common terminal. Then this is input side, this is output side. Input side, output side. Okay, now we know this biasing is forward bias, input side, reverse bias. This is forward bias, reverse bias. Okay, N type forward bias. N type negative type material, negative terminal with respect to positive. Here N type forward bias. Positive. This name is VCC. This name is VE. For this it is opposite. This is positive, negative. This is negative. This is positive. This is VVB. VEE. Sorry, VEE. Here VCC. Now listen carefully. This is very important. Now this is a basic circuit. From this, here one resistor. Here also one resistor. One voltmeter. Here also input side one voltmeter. Output side input side one ammeter. Output side also one ammeter. Here minus plus. Then here minus plus. First minus, next plus. This is input side. Here it is a plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. Names are. It is in between emitter and base, right? That's why VEB. And current is IE. Here current is IC. VCB. And this is R0. This is RA. That's it for CB configuration NPN. PNP side also one ammeter, resistor, voltmeter, ammeter, resistor, voltmeter, ammeter. Okay, this is the way we can. Okay, this is the way we can draw the circuit diagram. Okay, characteristics in between. Input characteristics. Input characteristics in between. Input voltage is VEB versus IE. Here output characteristics in between. Output voltage VCB versus IC. Okay, now input characteristics similar like a forward bias in the sense this is a forward bias input side. That's why like a diode. Now see here the current IE. We already said that VCB is increases, IE will be increase. Okay, increase IE current means this reverse bias voltage increases, IE current, base width modulation, IE increases. Then the curve shift to the left side. Curve shift to the left side. Okay, for 0 volts, 2 volts, 4 volts like that. Now here, V alpha, here current gain is alpha, IC by IE, it is approximately equal to 1, which is less than 1, which is less than 1. Then we don't have slope, it's a straight line. It's a straight line. Okay, here it is a cutoff region. This is saturation region. This is active region. This is it. And hybrid parameters, you know how to draw. Okay, this is CB configuration. Next, comparison between CB, CE, CC also very important. Please study. That is also important. I am expecting tomorrow question is CE configuration, CB comparison between CB, CE, See, these three definitely 99% one question will be 99%. Okay. Now we'll move to the problems now. Move to the problems. Okay. Problems. The first we need to observe few of the important formula. Okay. Alpha is equal to alpha and beta relation. Alpha is equal to beta by 1 plus beta. Beta is equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha, and gamma is equal to 1 plus beta, that is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus alpha. Okay, 1 minus alpha. This is a relation. And one more very important relation is the IC is equal to alpha into IE plus IC naught. This is which one? For CB configuration, output current equation. For CB configuration, okay, output current equation, or for CB configuration, output current equation. Okay, next IC is equal to 1 plus beta into IB plus 1 plus, also 1 plus beta into IC naught. For CE configuration, output current equation. Okay, next IE is equal to, okay, IE is, okay, this one they never asked. Okay, we don't want. Okay, these formulas are very important. We will see few of the problems. Okay, 2 marks question and also 5 marks question problems we will see. See, all are simple questions. First problem. See here. In common base transistor, the emitter current IE is equal to 10 milliamperes and collector current IC is equal to 9.8 milliamperes. Find the value of base current. Find the value of base current. See, one more formula I forgot here. Very important one. Sorry. 3, 4, 5. Very important formula is, okay, we know alpha is equal to, what is that? Alpha for CB configuration now, and beta for CE configuration, gamma for CC configuration. Okay, CB low. Okay, what is the output current in the sense IC by IE? Beta low, IC by IB. CC configuration low, IE by IB. These three relations we know. And one more important formula, IE is equal to IB plus IC. Okay, this is very important formula according to the operation. Okay. Now from this we can go in the two ways. First solution is directly solution. First one is, we know that IE is equal to IB plus IC. Okay, from this IB is equal to IE minus IC. That is equal to 10 minus 9.8. That is equal to 0.2 milliampere. This is a direct one. Solution 1 or solution 2. Okay, CB configuration they said. Okay, one is enough. Why we? I don't want to. Okay, no need. One solution is enough. Okay, second question. Okay, see here, same common base connection, emitter current they given, IC given. Okay, same. Yeah. In CB configuration, see in CB configuration, see these all are very simple questions. In CB configuration, IE they given ma, emitter current. I am writing here short way IE, but they given emitter current is 6.28 milliamperes. IC is 6.20 milliamperes. Find common base current gain. Common base current gain. See, current gain in the sense, I can represent with common base current gain. Okay, current gain also called as amplification factor. Amplification factor. Okay, then alpha is equal to, you can represent alpha for CB, alpha is equal to IC by IE, that is equal to 6.20 into 6.28. Milli will be there, milli will get cancelled, that is equal to 0.987. Okay, like this very simple problems they can ask. Okay, university problem we will see of the any university problem. Okay, now one question, determine IC and IB. See problem, determine IC and IE for transistor or for BJT if beta is equal to 200 and IB is equal to 0.125 milliampere. See, simple question. See, they given beta and IB. We need to find out IC and IE. See, beta is equal to 200 they given. Now we know that beta for which configuration? CE configuration. CE configuration. Then beta is equal to what you can write? IC by IB. From this, IC is equal to what you can write? Beta into IB. Then IC is equal to beta value is 200 into 0.125 milliampere. Okay, 200. Okay, what will get? 25 milliampere. Then IE is equal to, now we need to find out, IC we find out, I is equal to IC plus IB. That is equal to 25 plus 25 plus 0.125 milliampere, that is a 25.125 milliampere. That's it. Okay, they can ask like this, so many things they can ask. Okay, now one big problem we will see, then it is easy to understand all type of okay questions we can see in this one. A transistor or a BJT has IB is equal to IB is equal to 100 microampere. IC is equal to 2 milliampere. Okay, then find. They're given a lot of questions. Beta. B question is alpha. Okay, these all we need to find out. IE. D is IB. Okay. Next C is V is IC changes by plus 0.6 milliampere. Sorry, wait a second. We don't want it. These three will find out. Okay, we'll find out. Or else, okay, find IB. No, find IB కాదు. 1 second. If IB changes by, or else leave it. This much difficult they won't ask. Okay. Now see here. Solution. First IB they given, IC they given. Find beta and alpha. IC IB combination CE configuration. For CE configuration, okay, beta is equal to what you can write? IC by IB. Then I can get 2 milli means 10 power minus 3 by milli. 100 into 10 power minus 6. This is minus 3 times. If you do this calculation, we will get beta is equal to 20. Then beta is find out. Okay, B is alpha and beta. Alpha is equal to beta by 1 plus beta. Okay, 20 by 1 plus 20. That is equal to 20 by 21. That is equal to 0.952. Okay, see, IE we need to find. IE is equal to, how we can find out? IB plus IC. Because IB we know, IC we know. Then how much you can get? 2 milliampere plus 100. Okay, microampere. This one change into milli. 2 milliampere plus 0.1 milliampere. That is equal to 2.1 milliampere. Okay, this is the way we can find out very easily. And one more formula. See here. I can write two factors. IC B naught and IC. Okay, this is a two times they asked the question. Okay, that's why we are discussing now. Okay, IC B naught, IC E naught. The questions will get. Yeah. Actually, that too. Yeah, see here. This is not new parameter. See, simple one. See, calculate last problem. Calculate IC and IE for BJT, simple for BJT with alpha DC. The given parameter name is alpha DC is equal to 0.99 and IC B naught they given. IC B naught is equal to 50 microampere when IB is equal to 20 microampere. Solution. See, this is very simple one only. Now we know IC and ID we need to find out alpha they given. Alpha they given and IC B naught they given and IB they given. Okay, generally we know that IC is equal to, see, alpha and IB if they given. Okay, what we can think, this is for CB configuration. For CB configuration, IC is equal to, sorry, beta they given, IB they given, right? For CE configuration, sorry, wait, IB they given, IB in the sense is input current. Wait a second. This is reverse saturation current. ICB naught is nothing but IC naught you can keep. Okay, not in the sense it is a reverse saturation current. Then alpha they given. Okay, alpha. Yeah, we'll do one thing. For CE configuration they given. Okay, because CE configuration, this is a very important. Which configuration we need to check? CE configuration they given. For CE configuration, we have beta. Okay, for CE configuration, first thing, input is IB, output is IC, correct? Then IC is equal to 1 plus beta into IB plus 1 plus beta into IC naught. Now beta we don't know, right? Because they given alpha, alpha DC, alpha. Then beta is equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. Okay, alpha is 0.99 by 1 minus 0.99. Then 0.99 by 0.01, that is equal to 99. Beta we got. Then we know everything now. Beta we know. 1 plus beta is nothing but 1 plus 99 into IB is 20 into 10 power minus 6 plus 1 plus 99 into IC naught in the sense IC B naught. That is 50 microampere. 50 into 10 power minus 6. Then how much it will come? 100. This is if we do this calculation. Okay, this is 100. This is 20 plus 100 into 50. Total is 10 power minus 6 will be outside. See, this is 2000 plus 5000, 7000. 7000 into see the formula somewhere mistake, I hope so. IC is equal to, okay, beta into IB, sorry, beta into IB by 1 plus beta into IC naught. Sorry, one small mistake, na, listen. Yeah, here. Sorry, beta into IB by 1 plus beta into IC naught. See here, these all again small mistake formula. Beta is equal to, we got 1 plus beta we need to get. So 1 plus beta is there, right? 1 plus beta is equal to 1 by 1 minus alpha. That is equal to 1 by 1 minus 0.99. That is equal to 1 by 0.01. Okay, 1 divided by 0.01 is nothing but 10 power 1 divided 1 into 10 power minus 1, 10. 0.01, right? 0.99001. 10 power minus 2, 10 square, 100. Wait a second. These calculations are 1 divided by 0. See, 1 minus 0.99. Okay, 0.01 only. Yes, this is 0.01. 0.01. 1 divided by 0.01 is 100. Yeah, it's a 100 only. 0.99. Okay, this is 100. Okay, 1 plus beta. Now substitute IC is equal to, beta value is 99. Yeah, why I did these all? Sorry. See, this is too much, right? I did very lengthy process. See, beta is 99, then 1 plus beta is how much? 1 plus beta is 1 plus 99 is equal to 100, right? Yeah. Now 99 into IB is 20. Micro will take it later. Plus 1 plus 1 plus beta is, the ICB not 5 micro. Sorry. That's why I'm getting wrong answer. Here 5 micro. Yeah, 5 micro. Yeah. 99 plus 1 plus beta is 100 into 5 micro. This is 99 into 2. 1. Okay, I will do calci. 99 into 20. 1980 plus 500. Okay, 2480 microampere. That we can convert into 24.8 milliampere. Okay, this is IC. Now IC we know, IB we know, IE we can find out. IE is equal to IB plus IC. I is equal to IB plus IC. So simple ma. Here small mistake I did. Beta into IB plus 1 plus beta into IC. Now this is a formula. And here we need to consider, okay, here beta value and 1 plus beta value we need to find, because they given CE configuration. How we need to identify what are the relations IB and alpha they given to make you confused, but IB they given. Okay, IB they given. IB input current for which one? CE and CC also. You can take CC also, but why CC configuration? That formula you don't want to remember. Okay, you forget it. You can consider either CB or CC. Based on that, you can find. Okay. Next, biasing wise, we'll get a few questions that we will see based on biasing. Okay, biasing, we know two circuits, fixed bias and self bias. For fixed bias, you have to remember the circuit. This is very important now. Fixed bias. For fixed bias circuit, these are formulas. Okay, this is resistor. First circuit, after that connected to ground, and one more resistor. This is connected to base. This is connected to base. One more resistor connected to base. This is fixed bias. This resistor name is RC. This resistor name is RB. Here it is IB current. And here it is VBE. Here it is VCE. Here first, okay, we need to know formula is IB is equal to VCC minus VBE by RB. This is a one formula. How we can get is a plus VCC. If you apply KVL, see, for apply KVL at input side, you will get this equation. Okay, next, if you apply here, you will get IC. You will get IC1. Okay, few of the formula IB value we can find out like this. IC value, if you know the IB, then I can write as a beta into, sorry, IC is equal to beta into IB. Next, if you apply in this loop, we'll get, okay, VCC minus IC into RC minus VCE is equal to 0. And very important thing is stability factor we'll find out for this. So S is equal to 1 plus beta. These four formulas you have to remember to solve any fixed bias circuit. Okay. Now we will see. One of the question is, okay, see here. The four formulas are very important. Okay, I'm expecting a question problem. Okay. A transistor, a BJT has beta is equal to 100. Sometimes in the place of BJT, they will be HFE also. HFE. Okay, this is also current gain. Beta is also current gain. HFE, forward current gain. Okay, HFE is nothing but beta. Beta is the HFE. Please keep in mind. And VBE is equal to 0.2 volts. Okay, is used in fixed bias. Is used in fixed bias. Fixed bias. Okay, where VCC is equal to 16 volts and RC is equal to 5 kilo ohm and RB is equal to 790 kilo ohm. Okay, determine Q point. Determine Q point. Determine Q point. Okay, now first thing, very simple thing. Okay, they given circuit also. They will give circuit. Okay, the circuit is this is the circuit. Here they given VBE is 0.2, RC 5 kilo ohm, RB 790 kilo ohm. Okay, now the solution is simple. First we need to find, we will have the formula IB is equal to, what is the formula? VCC, sorry, here 16 volts plus 16 volts they given, VCC minus V by RB. Okay, IB to find out input loop. Okay, then VCC 16 minus 0.2 by 790 kilo ohm. Kilo ohm means 10 power 3. 10 power 3 kilo ohm. Then you will get 20 micro ampere. Then we need to find IC is equal to beta into IB. Okay, how much it is? Beta is 100. IB is 20 micro. 10 power minus 6. That is equal to 200. sorry, 2000 microampere. You change into milli, 2 milliampere. IC is 2 milliampere. Then VCC, you need to find. VCC minus IC into RC minus VCE is equal to 0. Then from this VCC is equal to IC into RC plus VCE. Now we know IC 2 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, RC is 5K is 10 power 3 plus VCE is 6 volts. Yeah, here they given VBE is here 0.2, VCE they given 6 volts now. Sorry. VCE we need to, sorry no, VB only. Here VCC we known value. Then here we can write from this VC is equal to VCC. This is VCC is plus 16 volts. Plus 16 volts. Sorry. Now if we calculate this one, we'll get 6 volts. Now which one we need to find a Q point. Q point is nothing but, I said that Q point is nothing but VCE comma IC. From this VCE is how much? 6 volts comma IC is 2 milliamps. That's it. Okay. In this way we need to find Q point. Q point is VCE comma IC, we need to find VCE comma IC. These three are the equations. But to find the fixed bias, to find the Q point, IB value we need to find IC and VCC minus IC into RC. Okay. Now one time they asked that find the stability factor also. Find the stability factor. Wait a second. That problem also is. Okay, stability factor is 1 plus beta. We know that. See, this is also they asked the same question. Okay, if you verify textbook one, you'll get lot of questions. Okay, sometimes 2 marks question they asked that. Find the stability factor for fixed bias. S is equal to, what is the formula? S is equal to 1 plus beta. If they given beta or 1 plus HFE also formula, please keep it. Beta if you know 200, okay, then stability factor is 201. Please keep in mind. Okay, next one for which one? Self bias. For self bias, the circuit is self bias, or we can call it as a voltage divider bias. Please keep in mind, voltage divider bias. Voltage divider bias. Okay, we know the circuit diagram. This is the circuit VCC, R1, R2, RC, RE. This one we can change, same circuit we can change like this. Here we can write VT and RT. This is VT. This is connected to ground. VT is nothing but, okay, we can write VT is equal to, directly I can write VCC plus VCC, here also plus VCC. VCC into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Because across here we can find VT mark. Across here we can find Vt. That's why. Okay, and Rt is equal to R2 parallel R1. R2 parallel R1. That is equal to what you can write? R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. These two formulas we need for which one? Self bias to solve the circuit. And one more circuit is, okay, this Vt. To find Vt, sometimes, okay, by applying the loop analysis here, okay, we can write Ib into Rb plus Ebe plus Ib plus Ic into Re. This is one formula. I will write neatly next page. Vp is equal to we can get direct formula is, okay, we can have two ways to find out Vt, or this Vt also called as Vb also because these are the base terminals, right? Two formulas, that is Vcc into R2 by R1 plus R2, that is one point, or Vt is equal to, I can write Ib Rb plus Vbe plus Ib plus Ic into Re. Okay, this is one point. Okay, this is one formula. Okay, another formula is, okay, Ic or Ib to find, we know the relation Ic by beta or Ic by HFE. How we can get this one? Because we know beta is equal to, what is the formula? Ic by Ib. Ic by Ib. Okay. Based on this, if send Ib this side, Ic by beta or HFE I can. Okay. Next formula. Okay. These are loop analysis. If you do the loop analysis, you will get, while you are studying, okay, loop analysis, you will get VCE is equal to VCC minus ICRC minus, okay, minus ICRE you can keep. Sorry, minus IC into RE plus RC. Okay, this is one formula. This is also loop analysis for output loop. And last formula is S is equal to 1 plus RB by RE whole divided by 1 plus beta into 1 plus beta plus RB by RE. Okay, this is also, this will come approximately one value, or it is approximately one will get, approximately one will get. These all formulas. See, these all are when you study the analysis. Okay, loop equations. You can understand. First study the loop equation, then see this video. Okay, these formulas are important. Okay, based on this we got the questions. Okay, we got lot of times. Okay, we got lot of times question. One problem we will see which they asked in the exam. Okay, JNTU exam. Very simple problem we'll take. Yeah. Consider self-bias circuit. Okay, self-bias circuit everyone know. Consider self-bias circuit. Okay, in this one VCC is equal to 22.5 volts they given. RC they given 5.6 kilo ohm. R2 they given 10 kilo ohm. R1 they given 90 K. HFE they given 55. VBE they given 0.6 volts. Okay, then they ask the question is Q point. We need to find Q point. Second question is stability factor. Stability factor. That's it. See, simple question. The circuit, everything we know. Okay, but Directly we took the question. Okay, see here. Q point in the sense you need to find out Q of VCE comma IC. Okay, to find. Okay, now we'll come for the formulas. IC, how we can find out IC is equal to, okay, we know that beta is, first thing, VCC they given RC, R1, R2, HFE, HFE in the sense beta. Now we know that beta is equal to output IC by IB. From this, IC is equal to what you can write, ma? Beta into IB. Beta into IB. Is it correct or not? Beta into IB. First we'll find out, okay, to find IB, first we need to know that VT we need to find out because that is VB. VT is how much, okay, we need to find out, right? 2.25 volts. Yeah, then IC. C is equal to beta into IB. From this, IB is equal to what I can write now? IB is equal to IC by beta. Yeah. Now see here, loop equations. Input loop equation first we need to write. Okay, VT is equal to what you can write now? IB RB plus VBE plus IB plus IC into RE. Correct? Okay, now if you observe here IB will be there. Okay, here IC will be there. Two unknown parameters are there. Now by using this relation, IB plus can write IC, then IC by beta into RB plus VBE. In place of IB, I can write IC by beta plus IC RE. Now VT we need to find. VT, how we can find out? First we need to find out VT ma. VT is equal to VCC into R2 by R1 plus R2. Okay, VT is equal to VCC in the sense how much? 22.5 into R2 is 5.6K by 5.6K plus R2 is 10K. If we solve this one VT, 2.25 volts we got. 2.25 volts we got. Okay, this VT also called as VB ma. VT is equal to VB. That is equal to 2.25 volts. Now VT we know. Okay, beta we know, RB we know, VBE we know, beta we know, RE we know. IC we can find it or not from this. Okay, VT also known value. Then I can write VT is equal to, first I will write the formula, then we can substitute. Okay, VT is equal to, I can write, okay, take IC by beta plus IC by beta plus VBE plus here IC if you take common, okay, 1 plus 1 by HFA or beta, whatever it may be. Okay, beta if you take beta, you can take. Okay, 1 plus 1 by beta into RE. Okay, then see IC, VT is 2.25 volts, IC we don't know, beta is 55 plus 0.6 VBE they given, IC we don't know, 1 plus 1 by 55 into RE is 1 into 10 cube, 10 kilo ohm. From this, if you find IC is equal to, we'll get 1.41 milliampere. We know find IC. Now we need to find out VCE. VCE is equal to VCC minus IC RC minus IE RE. Okay, IE plus I can write IB plus IC, right? Then this one I can make it as a, okay, or else in place of IE I can write IC because this is a very approximately IC is approximately equal to IE, right? Then I can write VCC minus IC of RC plus RE I can write. Okay, then you can substitute these values. 22.5 minus IC is 1.41 into 10 power minus 3. RE plus RC is how much RC? RC they given as a problem RC they given as a 5.6K plus RE is how much they consider 1K. Okay, if you solve this one, we'll get VC is 13.19 volts. Now Q point is nothing but VC comma IC. We find out. First question. Second question is what is that one? Second question is stability factor. S is equal to, okay, stability factor is, what is the formula? I said the stability factor is 1 plus RB by RE, same numerator but beta will come in between, 1 plus beta into RB by RE. Now if you substitute the values, 1 plus 9K by 1K whole divided by this is 9K by 1K plus beta is 55. Now you will get, if you calculate this one, you will get 8.6 some value, 8.6. Now here one thing, RB, how we can find it? This is a RB, they didn't give, right? Here they didn't give RB value. Then how we can find out RB? See, RB value we can find, I forgot to tell, that is RB is nothing but RB is equal to RT, that is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Okay, simple thing, ma. Here I will write the points. See here. See, CE, sorry, self bias. For example, self bias if they given. Okay, this is a very definitely. I am expecting question, ma. Self bias lo Q point find out cheyamannadu. Q point find out cheyamante first step lo VCC find out cheyandi. Sorry, VT find out cheyandi. That is equal to VB kuda antanu. VCC into, what is the formula? VCC into R2 by R1 plus R2, ma. R1 plus R2. Next RT. Next RT find out cheyandi. That is also called RB. Then only base దగ్గర ఉంటాయి. RB, that is equal to R1 parallel R2. Okay, third point, IC find out cheyandi. Fourth point, IC ఎలా find out చేస్తారంటే ఫస్ట్ IB, ఓకే, IB ఇన్పుట్ లూప్ తీసుకుంటే ఇన్పుట్ లూప్ లో ఓకే ఐసీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఐసీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి ఇన్పుట్ లూప్ లో ఏం చేస్తారంటే బీటీ ఆర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ యాజ్ బీబీ కూడా అంటాను. దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు, ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ది రిటర్న్ ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ విసిసి, సారీ, ఇన్పుట్ లూప్, రైట్? ఇన్పుట్ లూప్ ఈస్ ఐబి ఇంటూ ఆర్బి, ఐబి ఇంటూ ఆర్బి ప్లస్ విబిఈ ప్లస్ విబిఈ ప్లస్ ఐబి ప్లస్ ఐసి ఇంటూ ఆర్ఈ. ఇన్పుట్ లూప్ వేయాలి మీరు. ఆర్ఈ ఇది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఐబీని డైరెక్ట్గా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయలేము, ఐబీ ఇచ్చిండరు. బికాజ్ ఇక్కడ ఐబీ ఐసి అనే 2 అన్నోన్ పారామీటర్స్. దీన్ని చేంజ్ చేయండి. ఐబీ ప్లస్ ఏమని రాయొచ్చు? ఐసి బై బీటా ఆర్బి ప్లస్ విబిఈ ప్లస్ ఐసి బై బీటా ప్లస్ ఐసి ఇంటూ ఆర్, అంతే. అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది? ఓకే, విబి ఆల్రెడీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసింటాం, విబిని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసింటాం కాబట్టి ఓకే, ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్గా ఐసీని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఫోర్త్ స్టెప్లో విసిఈని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి, అంతే. విసిఈ అంటే అవుట్పుట్ లూప్లో కేవీఎల్ వేయండి, అవుట్పుట్ లూప్, అంతే. క్యూ పాయింట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే. లేదు సార్ స్టెబిలిటీ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నా అంటే ఎస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా, ఎస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, ఓకే, 1 ప్లస్ ఆర్బి బై ఆర్ఈ, ఎందుకు ఆర్బి బై ఆర్ అంటే నెగిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్. ఇన్పుట్ అంటే ఆర్ఈని ఇన్పుట్గా ఇస్తాం. దట్స్ ఆర్ఈ టు ఆర్బి ఇట్ ఈస్ కనెక్టెడ్. ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ బీటా ఇంటూ ఆర్బి బై ఆర్ఈ. ఆర్బి బై ఆర్ఈ అంతే, సింపుల్ 4 స్టెప్స్లో ఇలా చేసేసాను. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.